Hey guys, welcome back to Adam's Garage. It's been a little bit. Uh, this is what I've been working on here. This table here I've been welding up, and I got this little table here. This is a compost barrel table. Been working on. Did some welding on it. Came back. I gotta add another angle on it right here. So this is what I've been working on. Weld this angle here, and that's all I got left on this. And then I got this big giant gate in front of me here I gotta do. I got that one bracket. I gotta put a hinge on it, and I gotta do a bottom bracket. And that's all I got for you now, guys. Catch you on the flip side. Bye.